Guys, so we just bought our first RV. This is a C-Class RV, and it's a year 97. So this is the cab. So it's pretty comfortable. It feels like you're riding in a regular truck just because it's not like a bus like front. But yeah, this is it. We got one cup holder, so we're gonna have to buy more cup holders. And there's no glove box, which I thought was kind of weird as well. But yeah, that's it for the cab. So let's go look at the house part. Okay. Can't keep turning it. All right, so this is the inside. This is what is above the cab. So I think this is like a queen or a king size bed. I'm gonna have to measure it because I think I want to put a sheet over it to kind of like make it all look like this one piece. This TV came with the RV. The gentleman left it in here. It's a pretty good sized TV and it's got a really good mount on it. So this is the living area. This turns into a futon. You just pick up on it and it lays flat, which is really convenient. We're taking this out actually because there's not really anywhere in the camper for us to put a trash can. Because even underneath here, there's a shelf. So yeah, we're gonna end up taking this out and doing storage in like a trash can or something. Sink. Buffet has storage underneath. We just got that oven cover. I think it has to be mounted, but it's really convenient. It adds a little bit of counter space. I'm glad we have a metal sink. I know some have plastic sinks, which is nice to have a metal sink. This turns into a bed. The buffet turns into a bed. I don't think we'll ever use it as a bed, but this is a really nice feature if you want to switch places with me. This is really cool. This was a big thing for me when we were looking at the camper. This is a big closet and a big mirror, which I can appreciate having a mirror. And there's also a really big mirror in the vanity area. But this is huge in here for storage and hanging stuff. So we just left a wedding. And so Branson was able to hang his suit and I was able to hang my dress in here, which is really nice. I thought about possibly turning it into a pantry, but probably not just because it was so nice to have hanging space. Fridge, pretty good sized fridge. Oh, here's the go box almost. And then our bed. So this is a full, we threw out the mattress that came with it, which was angled right here. So the bed actually has an angle right here. So the mattress that was in here before fit perfectly. But we have an old couch bed mattress that we have, and then a 3-inch topper from Walmart, so it's pretty comfortable. More storage up here, and then we have a sink and the vanity, which is so this is a medicine cabinet, which is more good storage. And then we have the bathroom, which the shower's, you know, pretty big. It's a pretty comfortable shower. I showered in there not too long ago, or a couple days ago. So yeah, that's the camper. That's the before, and we're gonna start tonight switching out and updating some lights, moving that big third chair in the corner, and I'm painting this ugly wallpaper tomorrow. So this is the wallpaper that's kind of everywhere, and I'm painting it white. So this is the first video of the tour of our RV, and we'll keep you updated on the progress and the renovations.